I want to show you a new package report that we've just released in hhschools. This particular package report allows you to evaluate the sales of a particular package group or price list that is shared across several different projects. So think of it as a cross-project package report. Now the way you'll find this is you'll click on Manage Projects. You'll notice in the lower right-hand corner there's a new button, Project Package Report. And what I'm going to do for the purpose of demonstrating this within the video here is I'm going to go ahead and just sort these by package group so you can see, and I can see that I've got several projects that use this package 2019A, B, C, and Picture Day packages. You don't have to sort them like this in order to be able to use the report. I'm going to go ahead and click on Project Package Report, and it's going to bring up a dialog that shows me the package groups that are used by the projects that I'm currently viewing in my Manage Projects dialog. So I'm going to select one of these package groups, click OK, and my report is ready to be viewed. And it comes up in the form of a CSV file. And so you can read this easily. In column A at the top of it, it shows you the actual package group name. Then it lists the package letters or numbers from hhschools. Then the package name column, that shows you the name that you actually named the package when you built the package group. Then column C shows you the package totals across all projects that are using this particular package group. So you can see down here, if I come down to this one here, package F, I sold a total of 88 across these two projects. So the nice thing about this is I can see my package sales for all projects using the package group, and then it breaks it down on a per project basis so I can evaluate it for each one of my projects too. So hopefully this report will help you to make better decisions on when you want to build new packages and set up pricing for what does and doesn't sell.